welcome ladies and gents. We're in the Pulsar, so obviously we're having a Pulsar kind of day. The CV boot split, so we've got official Nissan parts. We're going to be putting this on repair kit dust. So it's a CV boot. This is an official one. We're going to go get that sorted today, and obviously just record it. I haven't been in this car for a little while. I've been driving the new Daily, which is just over there. I had a shot video on that coming soon, soonish anyway. So let's get moving in this car, get the CV boot done, and then see how it performs, I guess. It's been so long since I've been in this car. So long. In fact, the last time I was in it was going to Adam Seafest. That was a good couple of weeks ago now. Brakes still need to be sorted, they're not good. So the front brakes, I installed a big brake kit on the front. And as fine as they are, like they clearly work, but they need, I definitely think they need the steel braided lines, which is going to happen in 2 weeks time, because the car's going back for retuning, new fuel tank, fuel pump, injectors, all that stuff to make more power, and then also put the steel braided lines on. Hoping that'll fix it, because it's like they're fine, but they still feel a bit weird. They shouldn't, you know, when brakes, they just shouldn't feel weird. Ridiculous traffic. I don't understand why there's so much traffic. There never normally is. I should have left this running. I just drove past a building site, and I shit you not, I've just done the windows up, someone shouted, "What a bag of shit." Why would you do that? One, this is not my only car. This is, you know, fun. Secondly, you obviously don't know what it is. Bag of shit. A Pulsar GTiR. It's one of like 21 in the UK. Oh, it's such a bag of shit. Why would you do that? I hope it made you feel better, whoever shouted that. You fucking reprobate douche canoe. Right, well, welcome. We're going back. Not good. Pulsar has an awful lot of leaks. An awful lot of leaks. It shouldn't have any leaks. So, right, few issues. Can't get the drive shaft thing done because me being a total plum, and it is just me being an idiot, forgot the locking wheel nut key, basically. So it's me being a dumbass, which is like, yeah, that's my fault. But then in doing so, in getting the car up, realised that the front drive shaft oil seal is leaking. So that's garbage. We just park up here. So that's garbage, right? That's really, really crap. But not only that, like underneath the car, it's just leaking everywhere. So I'm not happy about that, obviously, because Horsham Developments had the car. They're supposed to be all fixed and done and dusted, and it was really expensive. I mean, it was so expensive I didn't even bother to reveal it because it was so bloody costly. So yeah, I'm really annoyed about that, obviously. So I've messaged someone to try and figure out where, you know, I can get a drive shaft oil seal from. Hopefully I can get one of them soon. If I can, great. If not, then yeah, problems, basically. That person's car sounded awful. Oh God, this car is just one thing after another. Really, really bummed out now. So no more Pulsar for a little bit, basically. I'm on the search now. Got to phone Nissan, try and figure out drive shaft oil seals. Not fun. I thought this video would be better and longer, and I'd rip it back home. I'm just going to baby it back home now because my car's just leaking shit everywhere. So not cool. It is in with Horsham in 2 weeks' time. When it goes up to them, I'm just going to have to tell them, look, you need, like, my engine shouldn't be leaking after you rebuilt it, guys. Can you please fix it now? Not with a cost involved either. Like, it should be good. It should be fine. So anyway, sorry this video wasn't anything better than what it was. I was hoping it would be better, but it is what it is. I do apologise. Thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow over on... yeah, my lights are flashing, mate. Follow over on Instagram, links in the description box, and support on Patreon. Cheers. Love you all. Bye.